What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be washing my Jeep with a foam cannon that I purchased from Walmart. So when I recently got my windows tinted at Chicago Auto Pros, the guys over there asked me if I get my car washed regularly, and I told them I did, and they asked where. And I told them that the Jeep dealership actually washes the car for you for free. And then they showed me a bunch of scratch marks on the paint of the car, and they told me that's because it's not a hand car wash. They drive it through the tunnel with the machines and all that. So the guy showed me a bunch of swirls. It's probably not going to come out that great on camera. And they told me that if I want to wash my car, the best thing to do is get a foam cannon and just pressure wash it myself with nothing really too abrasive on the car itself. So I went to Walmart the other day, and I was going through the automotive section, and I saw that they had a foam cannon. I thought that would be interesting to try it. Check out what I bought. 18 bucks from Walmart. It's called a Hyper Tough Foam Blaster. And I also got this Purple Power soap. I'm gonna see what these things can do. So let's get this car rinsed off and see what happens. All right, so let's see if this foam cannon is compatible with my pressure washer. First thing you gotta do is take off the existing nozzle. Easy. Okay, so all you have to do is take off the tip of the foam cannon, slide it onto the pressure washer like that, snap it into place. And that's all you got to do. I'm going to add the soap into the can and see how this thing shoots it out. It smells like cherries. Should be enough just to test things out with. We got it. You know what, now that I know it's working, I'm gonna load this thing up with soap and really get this thing cleaned up. Not bad, guys. Check this out. Keep in mind, this is 18 bucks from Walmart. It's not as satisfying as I thought because a lot comes out at once, but I think I got some decent coverage, and I want to get this thing rinsed off before the stuff starts caking, so check this out. Alright, you guys, so there it is. The $18 Walmart cannon actually did a pretty good job. Tell me what you guys think. I think I have to mess with the settings a little bit, but overall I think it did a pretty good job. So let me know in the comment section down below if you guys have used these soap cannons before. If you have, what kind do you guys recommend? Because I like the idea, but I'm not I don't know, it's not as satisfying as I see other people do it. Maybe I'll just mess with the settings a little bit. Maybe I'll order a new one. I don't know. Let me know in the comment section down below. If there are any foam cannon companies out there, please let me know. I'd love to work with you guys. Also, guys, what do you want to see me do to the Jeep? I'm getting sick of this kind of stock look here. What do you guys think? Should we get some wheels? Should we lift it? Should we get a trailer for it? some light bars. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys want to see. There's also a outdoor park that I want to take the Jeep to in the next few weeks here, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. But if you guys haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, as it greatly supports my channel. And if you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.